Here's how to fix YouTube search bar not showing. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix this problem. The first thing you want to do is open up Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search YouTube. Now if you find the update option, go ahead and tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Next thing you want to do is launch open your settings. Now scroll down and select apps. Here, a list of all the applications will be shown. You want to scroll down and find the option of YouTube, or you can use this search bar and simply type YouTube and then search for it. Now tap on it, then tap on the storage option. Now select clear cache, select clear data and tap on the delete option. Once that is done, head back. Now select force stop, then tap on OK. Once that is done, launch open YouTube, log into your account, and your problem will be fixed. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.